Can I clear the Whirlpool washer error code myself, or do I need to call a professional?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing whether you can clear the error code on your Whirlpool washer by yourself or if it's better to call in a professional. So, if you've encountered an error code on your washer and you're not sure what to do next, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in.
Understanding Whirlpool washer error codes.
Before we can determine whether you can handle the error code yourself, it's important to understand what these error codes mean. Whirlpool washers use error codes to indicate specific issues or malfunctions that may be affecting the machine's performance. These codes typically appear on the washer's display panel and can vary depending on the model and specific problem.
Check the user manual.
The first step in dealing with an error code is to consult the user manual that came with your Whirlpool washer. The manual usually includes a section dedicated to troubleshooting and error codes. Look for the specific error code you're encountering and follow the instructions provided. Whirlpool often includes helpful tips and suggestions for resolving common issues.
DIY troubleshooting.
If the user manual doesn't provide a solution or if you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can try some DIY troubleshooting steps to clear the error code. Here are a few general steps you can take. 1. Power cycle. Start by unplugging the washer from the power source for a few minutes and then plugging it back in. This simple step can sometimes reset the machine and clear temporary errors. 2. Check for obstructions. Make sure there are no objects, such as clothing or debris, blocking the washer's door, pump, or drain hose. Clearing any obstructions might resolve the issue. 3. Restart the cycle. Cancel the current cycle and start a new one. Sometimes, a temporary glitch can cause the error code to appear, and restarting the cycle can help eliminate it. 4. Perform a diagnostic test. Whirlpool washers often have a diagnostic mode that allows you to run tests to identify potential problems. Consult your user manual for instructions on how to access the diagnostic mode and perform the tests related to the specific error code.
When to call a professional.
If you've followed the troubleshooting steps and the error code persists, or if you're not comfortable performing these tasks yourself, it's time to consider calling a professional. Whirlpool has a network of trained technicians who specialize in repairing their appliances. They have the knowledge and tools to diagnose and fix complex issues accurately, ensuring the problem is resolved correctly. To sum it up, whether you can clear the error code on your Whirlpool washer yourself or if you need to call a professional depends on the specific error code and your comfort level with troubleshooting and repair tasks. Always start by consulting the user manual and following the recommended steps. If you're unsure or the error code persists, it's best to reach out to a Whirlpool technician who can provide the necessary expertise to get your washer up and running smoothly again. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.